Hey, you don't know, welcome back to another video with SeagalProductions. Thank you for tuning into the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video right now. If you subscribe and you're following the journey, thank you for that. If you're not, you could subscribe if you like what I do. And if you want to see more video and you want to get more tips on how I'm making all these rhythms, you could hit the subscribe. Hit the subscribe with the bell notification. So every time I drop a video or a song, you'll be notified. Today, without too much talking I would. Without too much talking, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how to make a Bouyon Riddim. Because I know a lot of you are with wrong. Let me tell you how to do it. Trust me. You're probably thinking Bouyon is really hard to do, and yes, it is a bit complex, but I'm gonna spill the beans today. I'm gonna teach you how to make bouillon very easily. How to make a bouillon Riddim. The first thing you're going to do when making a Bouyon Riddim is the rhythm. Well, a Bouyon bit is the rhythm. So go ahead in my little Bouyon sauce folders, and you could do this with whatever samples you have. You could do it with it, But I just have my list of samples, and I do it with what I have. So you could get basically anything right now there on the internet. So but if you want me to prepare a sample pack for you or make a sample pack for you, I could also do that. Alright, so right now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pick up some basic instruments needed for making a Bouyon Riddim, I'll just leave that there. And everybody knows the famous cowbell. I like to make my rhythm on full bass, so I use 64 bass, You could do it different. Oh no, that's Bouyon. So basically when you're making the Bouyon Riddim, you don't need so much bass. That's true. You only need only about so they usually use like 16 bars, but I use 32. I just like to use more. I just like more space. I like more space to work with, Just like the girls, them like more to work with. Alright, so once you have the cowbell, the next thing I'm going to look for is a little snare, a couple snares. You all might think that will take a lot of time, but I guarantee you to make a Bouyon Riddim very fast. Let me show you. Alright, see that there. That wasn't what I was looking for, but I know I'm gonna need it, Alright. Yeah. Alright, so we have done how I want to get right now. That's one of the things I like to do. I like to make sure everything sounding how it's supposed to sound, That's my kind of vibe. Yeah. And just like that, So very quick and very brief. That's how we make a Bouyon Riddim, you know. So it's only free. So far I only have free samples. So don't think I have a whole bunch of samples. One, which is the cowbell, very simple on a 4-step, a snare roll, and a snare. Now that is how we make a Bouyon Riddim. Now people might be wondering like, oh, that's a Bouyon Riddim. The only thing I do is switch it up to make it sound in key, you know, to put it in a certain key. But people are wondering like, oh, that's a Bouyon Riddim? I have a Bouyon Riddim. Like, you see so much thing. No, that's a rhythm, bro. If you want to make an instrument, then you have to add on to the rhythm, you know, because a rhythm is just a rhythm. You know, it's a rhythm, a rhythm, a rhythm. So basically, what you do with that, I have one more. Let me add the other instrument I dropped in earlier. Let me see. Simple like that, eh? I know a lot of people will say, boy, well, you have special instruments. I just not using what I have, bro. Also, the tempo, if I didn't mention the tempo, Bouyon tempo runs between like 155 to 165 or a little higher sometimes. And they don't really use 155 as much as before, you know, but I still use 155 a lot. So what I'm doing here right now is 160 because I wanted to really sound like the Bouyon you like to hear, and you know, from Dominican and stuff. So I'm using 160 here. If you want, you could copy the tempo. Okay, so I said this is the rhythm, so let me show you how you just start forming an instrument on the rhythm, because as I told you, it's just a rhythm. Okay, so if I want to start building the instrument onto the rhythm, which I would have to export the rhythm, but I'm just gonna show you now how you build on the rhythm. So you would have to export the rhythm and then bring it back into as FL as a loop, but I don't have time for that, so I'm just going to show you how, you know, to start this building on the rhythm. Like when you have the rhythm, that's the rhythm, then you export it and you bring it back into FL and then you start building on it. But I'm not going to do all that. I'm just going to show you like how, you know, it will just turn to an instrument if you start building on it, and then you will hear how it coming together, and then you know, you lose your brain. Alright, nice little kick, yeah? A little kick, a little snare. So there we go. So from there, you just continue building on it, you know. Put in your instruments, you like, if you want the piano, or you want to put a piano, you know. Yeah. Let's play a Spider-Man for you, man. Yeah, man, so that's how you do it, man. Simple. Like the rhythm, you could always add some more stuff onto it, you know, like to make it song, but that's basically the rhythm. That's basically how the rhythm is. That's how you build a rhythm. Again, with the rhythm, just the rhythm. That's the rhythm. And starting to add the kick and snare. Simple. Bouyon Riddim. If you like the vibe, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, you know. Tell me what you want to see me do next, what you want to, you know. I know I didn't go into too much details, but I give you all the basics, you know. And I made it really simple in front of you all to see. So people that visual, you guys take your time, look at what I did, and you could make it out, do it in your own way. It's better if you do it in your own way. Alright? If you reach this far, you enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you want to see next.